Today I wanted to show you how I like to use the Clover embroidery stitching tool. This tool is very similar to the Clover punch needle tool, but as you can see, the needle is a lot smaller and meant for thin threads. The tool itself is a very simple construction. There is the needle and the handle, and you can set the needle to 6 different stitch lengths before securing it. And to thread it, you'll pass the provided threader through the needle, pass your thread through the threader, and pull your threader through. Then you'll pass your threader through the eye of the needle, again catch your thread and pull it through. And now you're ready to start embroidering. You can use a normal 6-strand embroidery floss, but for best results, I would divide it into 3-strand sections. For my sample today, I'll be using the Clover 7-inch embroidery hoop and 14-count Aida fabric. If you've watched my previous video over the Clover punch needle tool, the directions are exactly the same. I like to start on the right and work my way leftwards in lines. You'll find a starting point and push all the way down with your needle, then carefully pick your needle back up out of the fabric and move it downwards about 1/8 of an inch. And repeat the process, and we're just walking the needle down in a straight line. Once you get to the end, I like to turn my work and begin working a line right beside your first. And you'll continue working in the same way until your design is filled. When you're done, I like to cut my thread and continue needling until there's no more thread in my tool. Then you can remove your fabric from your hoop and finish however you'd like. I like to finish by ironing the back with Clover Wonder Fuse. That just secures all the threads and makes sure that they're not going anywhere. Overall, the Clover embroidery stitching tool is very beginner friendly and quick. This is what I made with the Clover embroidery stitching tool. What will you make?